Okay, guys, this is the last one in the series of subtraction strategy videos. This one is break apart. And remember that this is our goal. So anything that we are doing with base 10 blocks, that's the beginner level. Okay, that's the beginning. That's the easiest one. So pretty soon we're not going to use that one anymore. And then we work our way up to being more comfortable with an open number line. Eventually, we want to be using more of the break apart type strategies. Okay, so the two that your teachers are going to focus most of their energy on teaching you are the number line and the break apart strategies. And the base 10 strategies, we will not be using those as much. So with the break apart for subtraction, we're going to leave the first number in our equation alone. So this greater number that we are subtracting from, we're going to leave it alone. We're not going to touch it. The second number is the one we are going to break apart. And remember, when I say break apart, I'm talking about breaking a number into its tens and its ones. So using what we know about place value. And I drew a yellow triangle here because I wanted to show you how similar this is to the number bonds that we know how to do. So we take the second number and we break it into its tens and ones. There's a 2 in the tens place. The value of 2 tens is 20. And there's a 7 in the ones place. So that will be 7. And then we can write an equation. So we take 53, that's the number that we've started with, and go ahead and subtract those tens. And I can do this mental math because I've broken this number into tens and ones. This 10 number here, 20, that enables me to subtract 20 from 53 in my head. And once I do that, I get 33. But I'm not done. I still need to subtract the ones. To subtract the ones, I'm going to continue to break this number apart. And the reason is, guys, is look at this. If I'm going to subtract my ones from my ones, that means they're asking me to subtract 7 ones from 3 ones. I can't do it. I do not have enough. But if I break this number down, if I keep breaking this number, and now I'm not breaking it into place value, but instead into number partners, right? Because 3 plus 4 equals 7, I can break this number into 3 plus 4 because this 3 will help me subtract the 3 ones here. And I'll show you what I mean. 33 minus the 3 out of the 7 minus the 4 is going to give me my answer. So I'm going to do the 33 minus the 3 first. That's going to get rid of the 3's that I have. And then I can remember in my head, okay, that's 30, right? Because 33 minus these 3 ones gives me 30. Then I can subtract the 4. And I can do that by counting back in my head. I can say 30, 29, 28, 27, 26. I can even draw a number line, a real quick little piece of a number line over here if I want to help me with that little part. So I would do 30 and then go back 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that gets me to 26. And I have subtracted 1 each time that I go down the number line. Just a way to check your work. So for this one, the answer is 26. Now, I found a video for another way to do break apart. This is the way that I normally teach break apart. I think either one of these ways will work because they're both showing that you have a knowledge of place value and how to break apart numbers into their tens and ones. And I thought this video was just hysterical.
He's alive! Oh, too alive! Oh, maybe you need to take away some energy elixir. Oh, yes. Subtraction. Yes, I like the sound of that. I'll take it away. Just like your grandpa did. No.
Sorry, guys.
He's alive! Oh, too alive! Oh, maybe you need to take away some energy elixir. Oh, yes. Subtraction. Yes, I like the sound of that. I'll take it away. Just like your grandpa did. No, a new way. And I'm going to break it apart! First, I'm going to separate the tens and ones from 52. There's 5 tens, so that's 50. Then 2 ones. Next, I'll take the 3 tens out of 34, which is 30. Then I'll take the ones out, which is 4. Now, I'm going to start with the ones place and subtract them. What about the 2? You can't take 4 things away from 2. Yes, I will borrow from the tens. Now look, 50 becomes 40, and we can bring it to the ones place to make it 12. We can subtract. 12 minus 4 is 8. 40 minus 30 becomes 10. Then we add from left to right and boom! There you have it! The answer is 18. Dad? Mom!
All right, guys. So that was just a different strategy for break apart. Either one of those will work for subtraction. Your assignment today is going to be a worksheet for you to practice all 3 of these strategies. And I think I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you really need to be focusing your efforts on number line and break apart, friends, because the base 10 strategies, we're going to phase those out. We're going to phase those out, and we're going to be working towards more of the number line and the break apart. Thank you, guys.